What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. This is a little different than usual videos. So I thought I was gonna be making this banger bagel. Hey, yo, Donnie, we got any American cheese?
Whatever's in there is what we got, buddy.
All right. We don't need this. This is not cheese. Bob it. Oh, hang on. That's Swiss. Yuck. Sausages. Do you want to make it out of bacon?
Sure.
All right, hold on. We're not making it out of bacon. Got him. Turkey. We're using turkey today. Cheese, ham, turkey. That's turkey.
Are we not even gonna cook anything?
Bagel. Oh yeah, we are gonna cook something. I forgot the most important part. The eggs. Are these hard boiled? What's up? Cooking tip. Check it. If an egg is hard boiled. Oh wait a minute.
Yeah, it spins either way, you ding dong.
Well yeah, but it don't spin like that. We only need one egg. Toaster. Now we need to put this. Okay, now we got the bagel in there. Oh, what the? And then we hit the bagel button, and then we let that one go. No. Now how are we gonna make it a perfect circle? Oh, you're done. Put it away. Lovely.
She only has one egg.
Well, yeah, that 2 egg ain't gonna fit on a bagel, guy. Dummy. Come on, bagel. I know we better start. Just go. When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza. I don't care. We'll put those on in little pieces. Oh, I did ruin the circle.
Yes, you did.
You done yet? You know, it's good enough. Finish cooking. Oh, look, it finished. I didn't click the cancel button. Okay, there's 1 bagel. Okay, there's 2 bagel. Now, egg. Hold on, let me get a cool shot. Put the egg on here.
And here?
No, the bottom one, so it melts the cheese. Oh no, this is horrendous. This is turkey, by the way, not ham. Boom. Look at that. Doesn't that look like a good sandwich? Sure. Yeah, that's right. You better say sure. Oh my god, I almost forgot. The creme cheese. This is intense. This is horrendous.
I know, it's because it's cream cheese as cold as an ice bread.
Okay, that's good enough. Will you try my bagel for me? Logan doesn't want to.
I'll try a small bite.
All right. Tell me if you like it or not. Good job.
Very good.
Is it really though?
It is.
All right. A through F, what do you give it?
B plus.
Or.
Just because it's always referred
I see what you're talking about. We got B plus.
Gooch.
No. Right at the intro.